Hi, my friends. Welcome back. In this video, I am working on a collaboration for the Artist Spotlight program at the Paintball Academy. And this month's collaboration is called Color Me Joyful, a celebration of spring energy and fluid art. So as I was working on this, I decided I wanted to use similar colors to the preview image, which was red and orange and blue and green. And in my mind, I was like, this is going to turn out amazing. I love this. But I didn't think it through all the way. My planning was a little poor. And I used too much green, too much blue. And I put those colors next to the red and orange, which will create deep purples and, various browns. So it did end up almost a little muddy, but not really. And that's why I call it Technicolor Joy, because the cells and the lacing that were created, the white absorbed the red, and it looks very, 1970s Technicolor TV-ish. It's very cool. So to get started, I started layering my colors on the canvas. And as I'm layering, I'll just give you a little information about the collaboration, Color Me Joyful. A fluid art collaboration all about vibrant hues, playful movement, and art that radiates pure happiness. This month, we're inviting you to tap into what brings you joy and express it through color. Whether it's bright florals, childhood memories, sunny days, bursts of laughter, let your art reflect energy that lights you up inside. So I will say this piece does light me up inside. It did make me think about my childhood. I was born in the 70s, and that we had a lot of fun. It was a very different childhood than today, what was offered, and I'm very fortunate to be part of that generation. To give you a little information about the Artist Spotlight program, it is a super fun program that highlights fluid artists from around the world. Artists are invited to be interviewed on my website and receive a profile page. They are also invited to join my private Facebook group where we work on collaborations and supporting each other through our journeys. So go to paintpouracademy.com, Artist-Spotlight, to see our featured artists, check out our collaborations, and connect with me if you would like to be considered for the Artist Spotlight program. Now, I will have the links in the description box below for the other artists participating in this collaboration. Go check out their art. We have it on a website so you can get a glance of it. And then if there's a video offered with the artist, then we'll link that too so you can see how they created their piece. Now I am almost done layering. I didn't speed this video up. I did very minimal editing because I wanted to give you the real-time experience with how I paint, and I painted this piece. A lot of my videos I do speed up for time because your time is valuable, and I know you're interested in the piece and you just want to get to how I do it. So I do speed up some things. And in this video, I just decided, we're just gonna do it in real time and have some fun with it. So after I get done layering these, I am going to add the white. And the white goes in that big top area, and I did leave a little too much room up there, which is okay. I mixed up a white, which is 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, which is what I did with the rest of my colors, and I used water to thin to make sure they're all the same consistency. But I forgot, as I was mixing this white, that I wanted to use my Amsterdam pouring medium, not my Floetrol. So I mixed a side cup of 1 part white, 2 parts Amsterdam pouring medium, a teeny tiny bit of water just to help make it smooth, And then I layered the white with the Floetrol, followed by the white with the Amsterdam on top. Once I got done placing those, I got a white paper towel that started out white before I touched it with my painted hands. Made sure it was damp, not soaking wet, just damp. I just wanted it damp enough to grab the paint so I can pull it down across the canvas. This is a 10-inch by 10-inch canvas. I did put this on my spinner. I'm not necessarily using my spinner to spin because it won't fit this size of canvas to spin. It's just the corners hit it and it's just a hot mess. So I'm just using it as a platform just to help me paint and do this technique. I did not use any silicone in this, so the cells are going to be a lot slower to appear, and you're going to need a little patience to watch it fully come through. So as we're waiting for the cells to pop up through the white paint, I can tell you about my All Access Academy membership that I started at the Paint Pour Academy. If you are loving what you are seeing in these videos and you would like to learn more about paint pouring and resin art, I'd love to invite you to check out my All Access Academy member program. This is a super fun way to get unlimited access to all of my online courses. Plus, you'll be part of a community where we do live Zoom chats, exclusive tutorials, and a whole lot of creative inspiration. And the best part, that right now, it's only $15 a month. Basically, the price of a fancy coffee date with your art supplies. I'll leave the link below. If you want to go check it out, I'd love to have you join us and keep pouring along with me. Now, as you can see, the cells are coming along nicely. And as these cells pop through, they're going to grow. And then that's where you're going to see all this pretty lacing. Now, once I do see the cells starting to slow a little bit, I'm going to turn it, get out my balloon, and do some stamping. This technique is called the balloon smash, the balloon kiss, balloon stamping. It's just fun. You take a balloon, you press it down, and pull it straight up. And off screen here, I have a paper towel. I'm wiping the balloon free of the paint. Now I'm going to keep doing it in places and repeating it gently. I don't want to muddy up my colors because there is a significant amount of paint in these areas. So as I'm stamping, I'm pulling paint off and wiping. I love this effect because it's almost like a flower starburst effect. And when you mix it with the swipe technique like I do, it gives such an interesting piece to look at. Once I'm done stamping, I'll give you a preview of what the wet piece looks like. Can you see what I was talking about? How the white is picking up the red and it looks technicolor. You can see the green cells with the blue in the middle. You can see some that are just a little muddy, but then when I did the stamping and I pulled out the colors on the bottom, it just brings it all together. It is super fun. So here is the dried piece. I haven't sealed it yet. I still need to wait another week or so, but it is looking fabulous. And once I do seal it, then all these colors are just gonna pull and be brilliant and vibrant. Oh, I'm so excited about this piece. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. Thank you so much for joining me for this project. Please let me know if you have any questions about our Artist Spotlight program, about the membership program, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.